In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Analytics report in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up your skills, this guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to Google Analytics, open your browser and navigate to the analytics tools and solutions for your business on Google Analytics. This is your first step in accessing the powerful insights and tools that Google Analytics provides. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google Analytics account. So click on the Sign into Analytics button. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that first. It's straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. This page is your central hub for accessing various reports and insights about your website. Here you'll see a dashboard filled with data, visualizations, and key metrics that offer a snapshot of your site's performance. But for our purposes today, look for the Explore option in the menu. This section is where you'll conduct deeper dives into your data, allowing for custom analysis and reports. Click on Explore and you'll be taken to an area of Google Analytics that empowers you to create a more tailored analysis of your site's data. Now it's time to start your new exploration. Click on Start a New Exploration. This is where the real magic happens. In this section, you'll be able to manipulate data to create a custom report that fits your specific needs. Here you can select the metrics and dimensions that matter most to your analysis. Whether you're interested in user demographics, behavior flows, or specific conversion goals, this is your space to customize the data for your precise inquiries. Feel free to explore the various options available and preview your report as you build it. Creating a Google Analytics report might seem daunting at first, but following these steps, you'll realize it's a straightforward process, thanks to the user-friendly interface that Google provides. Remember, the key to harnessing the full potential of Google Analytics is consistent exploration and experimentation within your reports. The more you familiarize yourself with the tool, the more insights you'll be able to derive from your data. That's it for our quick guide on creating a Google Analytics report. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to explore more features. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks.